And well, soon after the lockdown was announced, it's been 62 days since flight services had been suspended. But today is when domestic flight services are all set to resume. We continue to get you reports from across the country as the experience of air travel now has completely changed, and most importantly, people from different parts of the country who were stranded now go back to the state where they want to, be at their home or be at their workplace. Of course, strict measures that have been enforced and precautions that are being taken, different states issuing their own set of guidelines. But yes, when it comes to taking all the COVID precautions, passengers now saying that all the time that they now are having to give when it comes to air travel is much more. Having said that, all the precautions are being taken. Let's take a look at reports coming in from different parts of the country.
I came to India last year in November.
Okay.
And I've been traveling all over India.
Yeah.
And when this whole thing started, I was in Hampi, down in the south of India. Yeah. And a lot of people went to a lot of places.
Yeah.
I decided to go up north to Dharamshala area.
Yeah.
And it was pretty difficult because they just closed Himachal also and they didn't tell us. It was really different during the first day when the fear washed everybody. It was hard because people also looked at us differently in the street. After the first week, everyone started to go back to normal and everyone started to be much more good, and we didn't have any problem with food. Yeah, I've been in India for 7 months now. I'm happy to go back home.
Chandigarh. Have the authorities told you anything about quarantine or
Right, it's like 14 days home quarantine.
How many days, sir?
14 days.
14 days.
Yeah.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah. I think it's good for the safety for my family and for myself.
Since how long you have been staying here in Bengaluru?
2 months. I got stuck when they initially kicked down the lockdown. Basically, the main reason you take the air transportations. It's just, I think the safety-wise, I think it's mostly the same, but I just need to save some time, that's why.
Meeting your family after your quarantine, how excited you are going back to your home?
I'm super excited.
जाना तो पहले चाहती थी बट कोई साधन नहीं था तो उस वजह से जा नहीं पा रही थी। मेरा घर यही है
पटना में।
हाँ, वो जॉब वहाँ करते हैं। हाँ जी। तो
किस तरह का जॉब?
मैं नहीं करती हूँ, मेरे हस्बैंड करते हैं।
अच्छा, हस्बैंड करते हैं, आप यहाँ
फंसी हुई थी। होली में आई हुई थी घर, तो फंस गई थी मैं।
काफी दिन हो गए।
हाँ जी।
तो कोई और प्रयास नहीं किया आपने जाने का?
ट्राई किया था बट अभी जो सिचुएशन है उसमें हेल्थ को लेकर के भी कोई वो कंप्रोमाइज़ तो नहीं कर सकती हो ना। सिचुएशन जो है उसमें तो परेशानी हर किसी को भी है, बट अगर खुद को मतलब हेल्थ को देखना है तो फिर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम तो फेस करना पड़ेगा ना। तो कोई नहीं, जो है वो तो सही है। लॉकडाउन तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन था क्योंकि इसमें से मुझे लग रहा है कि जिस हिसाब से अभी यहाँ इंडिया में कम है पेशेंट की संख्या अदर कंट्री के मुकाबले, तो लॉकडाउन के वजह से ही हो सकता है ऐसा।
हम लखनऊ से बेंगलोर जा रहे हैं।
कितने टाइम बाद जा रहे हैं?
4 महीने ऑलमोस्ट।
4 महीना हो गया। फैमिली वहीं पे?
फैमिली मार्च 15 को गई थी, उसके बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया तो मैं जा नहीं पाया।
अच्छा, बात होती है?
बात होती है मोबाइल पे, बट वही कितना।
ओके, बच्चा है छोटा
बच्चा है 3 साल का। पहले 1 महीने बात करता था, अभी तो नहीं कर रहा है।
अच्छा, अब बात ही नहीं कर रहा है?
बात ही नहीं कर, नाराज़ हो गया वो।
नाराज़ हो गया मतलब नाराज़ हो गया, पहचान नहीं रहा है?
पहचान रहा है बट नाराज़ हो गया। उसको कितना बार टीवी पे देखेगा, वो मोबाइल पे देखेगा। ही वांट्स मी देयर, सो आई एम गोइंग नाउ, वेरी हैप्पी।
आप फंसे थे, बच्चा आपका नाराज़ हो गया?
यस।
अब आप कैसे मनाएंगे जाके उसको?
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग तो मेंटेन करूँगा ही, थोड़ा क्वारंटाइन करूँगा, होम क्वारंटाइन, बट एटलीस्ट आई विल बी सीइंग हिम डेली। मैं देखता हूँ उसको। ऐसे प्लान नहीं किया, पहले मेरे को पहुँचने की जल्दी है, एक बार पहुँच जाऊँगा तो उसके बाद सोचूंगा क्या करना है। बट क्वारंटाइन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग सब मेंटेन करना ही पड़ता है ना, वो तो करेंगे।
गिफ्ट वगैरह ले जा रहे हो उसके?
अभी बिल्कुल नहीं ले जा रहा हूँ, बिकॉज अभी बाहर से सामान खरीदना भी उतना सेफ नहीं है।
Yes, the first flight which was scheduled to take off for Kolkata has been cancelled in view of the Kolkata airport not opening, resuming services today, and the first flight now will take off for Delhi at 8:45, whereas the first arrival, which was scheduled at 7:55, a.m. in the morning has been delayed due to inclement weather. And as you can see here how the screening process is being done as the passengers are coming in. This is the entry for the departure, and you can see the bags are being sanitized before the passengers stand in the queue to get inside the airport. There are many passengers with us. हम किसी से बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं सर? कहाँ जाएंगे?
मैं रंगापड़ा, केरला.
आप कितने दिन बाद घर जा रहे हैं?
6 महीने.
6 महीने के बाद. जब ये लॉकडाउन था तो आप स्टैंडर्ड रह गए थे यहाँ पर?
स्टैंडर्ड हो गया था.
आपका काम कहाँ पर है?
रंगापड़ा.
रंगापड़ा में. तो आप अभी अपने फैमिली से मिलने के लिए जा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी.
And there are many other passengers as well who will try to talk to them as they wait for the departure to take place. Excuse me, ma'am, where are you heading?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
You were stranded here, or you are from?
I'm from Assam. I came here for my father's first year death ceremony, and I got stuck for 2 months, and I'm going back today.
You work in Bangalore?
I work in Bangalore. Yeah, I'm settled there.
There are other passengers as well. मैडम आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
दिल्ली जा रहे हैं.
दिल्ली. आप यहाँ से है कि दिल्ली से?
मैं शिलोंग से. मैं एक्चुअली जॉब करे दिल्ली में, तो मैं वापस जा रही हूँ दिल्ली में.
So, there are various people with various different kinds of urgency that they need to travel immediately to other cities, other parts of the country. And as the passengers will be arriving here at the Guwahati airport, we would like to show you a form. This particular form is for those incoming passengers who will be coming in. Here, all the passengers will have to fill in this form before they head towards their respective districts. People from 4 districts, the Kamrup Metro, Hosai, Morigaon and Dorong, will be taken to a hotel in Guwahati itself. They will be screened there, their swabs will be collected, and thereafter they will be put into quarantine for 7 days. 7 days they will be in the facility run by the government, and after that, completion of 7 days institutional quarantine, they will be under home quarantine. However, those passengers who are going to other parts of the Assam or the Northeast, because Guwahati happens to be a connecting airport for all other states as well, they will fill in this form with all their details, which including the name of the driver they are traveling with, his contact number, vehicle number, and will also give an undertaking that he will immediately report to the district screening center in the respective district so that his sample can be collected and the quarantine process, the mandatory quarantine process is being undertaken and is monitored, can be monitored by the district administration.